guys, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a wig tutorial. I get a lot of questions about my wigs and what I use and how I make them. So today I'm just going to remake one of my old wigs so you guys can see. Remake one of my old wigs so you guys can see my process. So guys, I don't remember if I said so in the intro, but I'm about to remake my red wig. And here's one of my mannequin heads. And it didn't come with this, but I did order a wig stand. Like, I ordered the one for that hooks onto like table and desk, because I'll put it in the link below, because it's just better than standing up all the time making my wigs on that big stand. And the head does come off, and this is what it looks like. This is just one of my mannequin heads. I have the other one that's like my head shape. I'll put the picture, insert a picture, and put a link below, because that's the one I really like. So we about to get started. So right now I'm just cutting the closure off of the wig cap. So this is going to be a closure tutorial. So guys, I'm just cutting the closure off of the cap, and I don't want this video to be too long because I am going to style it too, because I did rewash the hair and I touched up the color, because every time you wash the hair, the color does fade. And my mannequin head, and I made it literally, I sewed it on the floor, plucked it while it was on my head, so it was just all off. Look at this part is not in the middle. That's so we're gonna see me deconstruct my part, and I'm gonna put it in the middle. Hopefully it covers up good. Yeah. Okay, so here's my cap I use. This is a dome cap, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and it is in the size extra large, because I like to take my wigs off at night, and I don't put like clips and stuff in them, my wigs, because this fit my head perfectly. So you're just gonna line the middle up. See, this is the middle. Okay, so line the middle. So this is the middle of your cap. Make sure it's in the middle, because you're gonna sew that damn closure on. So maybe it was in the middle, y'all, when I did them. Which it looks like. I think this is a 4x4. I don't really know that type of stuff, but this is the closure looks like on the inside. Y'all look at it. Okay. Just the closure looks like on the inside, and this will look like on the outside. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be sewing the perimeter. So you're gonna be sewing these edges only. Okay? Only sewing the edges. So we're gonna line it up to be in the middle. So that's about the middle. Okay. Then I'm gonna take some T-pins. These are very cheap as well. And I'm gonna stick them in her head. Okay? And I'm gonna put one there, and then I'm gonna put one in the back. Now I put one in the back so it can stay flat, because you don't want to sew no damn bulks. So I want to make sure everything's fine, and then I'm gonna flatten. When I'm doing this, flatten it out in the back. You see how it's a little lumpy? I'm flattening that out, because that's how it's looking when I sew it. So I'm gonna flatten that. Make sure everything stays put, because I don't have time for the bull crap, you know. T-pin that here. Okay, stab the hand, don't be scared. And then the closure should look like this. So we're gonna sew the perimeter, which is just that, nothing more. And you are going to start at the beginning of the cap. You're going to start at the beginning of that cap, just like that. doing is sewing this perimeter, okay? And I'm using a curved needle, okay, just like that. Beauty supply, $1. And I'm gonna use some black thread. Okay, guys, so I sewed down my closure, and this is how it looks. Just sew the perimeter because you're gonna cut through the middle, but you'll see what I'm talking about at the end. But yeah, so I did that. Now, I told y'all the part is not in the middle, so I'm going to reconstruct the part because that's really freaking dangerous. So now it's in the middle, okay? But hand plucking is really freaking dangerous, and yeah. So I'm just gonna look and see. I like my parts to look natural. That looks like our scalp, okay? And I'm just swooping this stuff for y'all later. But I just had to do that in the part because, honey, you always with the always want to start at the lowest part, okay? The lowest part, that's where we're going to glue our first track, okay? So here's the hair. This is the wig. I cut the closure out of this. Now we're going to start from the bottom, and we're going to just take that first step. We're going to take the first track off. Now hopefully I can do this right. So we're going to just cut. Here's our first track, okay? And this is the glue I use. You know, the regular old glue. It's Salon Pro bonding glue. And I just got this little bottle because I got it for free. But yeah. So I'm just gonna put glue on the tracks. Make sure I take all this thread out. And then I'm gonna align it. So I'm gonna take it to make sure it fits. I'm gonna align it. I'm gonna put it literally at the bottom. Okay, and I'm gonna align it with my wig, with my closure, and then this is how it looks. It's at the very bottom. So let's get to gluing. So this is how much glue I'm using. Okay, and then we're gonna take it. I'll turn our mannequin head. I'm gonna take it and line it up with that closure, and then go at the bottom row. And just go. Okay, guys. Now we're on to our second track, and I'm just gonna cut the track out. Yeah, okay. So you're gonna take it and align it. Okay, line it up. Boom. It's all gonna take the glue. What the fuck? Our computer be doing whatever it wanna do. So now we're gonna take the glue and put it on the line. Middle. You could just put the track a little bit above the other one, just a little, because I would do two, but I never had two bundles with straight hair. Like I just never did. Just have so far. Okay, this is just so far. Now I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna show you guys a couple more tracks. And then I'm gonna come back and do it when it's time to get close to the closure, so you can see how to end it off. Okay. So So we're gonna do one more. Okay, in case y'all want that, because I know some people just hear strictly for the wig. So we're aligning it. Okay, and this is what it's gonna look like after. You want to keep like stuff even as possible. I don't know why this hair looking like it's body wave. It's a little cute though, but this is some straight ass modeling. So wig, okay? You want to invest. This wigs are an investment. They can last a long time if you take care of it. So y'all take care of your wigs. Don't. You can make. I'm gonna make a video on a curly synthetic wig, just so y'all can see how it looks. Okay, so this is what we have so far. This is her. Okay, with her couple tracks in, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and you see how neat it is, neat and even. Okay, and I'm just gonna stack it up, and when I get to like right here, I'll be back. When I get to up here, I'll be back so I can show you how I end it off and stuff like that. Okay, alrighty. Okay, guys, so this is how our wig looks so far. We got our closure in, and then we have all our tracks in there. Well, most of them. I didn't even use all the tracks yet, but I'm gonna show you guys how I close this up, the gap between the closure and the weave. So no tracks is showing and stuff like that. So see what's missing what, or what could fit more, you know, stuff like that. So I'm gonna cut the tracks off again. So I'm gonna take that track, and then I'm gonna take it and align it. And make sure it fits perfectly. Like, you don't want no edges out of place or sticking out. You see how it's perfectly aligned, and then we're gonna keep stacking those, okay? So this is one I already had cut. Let's see if this fits. Oh, it just so happened to fit perfectly. So we're gonna glue that, line that up, and then press down. That still got a little thread, but it's okay. Yeah, this is what we got so far, and then I'm gonna just speed through until I get all the way up here. It's mostly still here. But yeah, okay, right back. Okay, guys, I'm back all the way at the top. So this is what it looks like, and you're just gonna add 2 more tracks. I'm gonna add one, and then I'm gonna add the one that's like directly under the closure. Still thinking the part to the side, but it's not. So yeah, so you're gonna open your wig. Ooh. So you're gonna open your wig, and you're gonna cut. This is very important, because don't cut too much, or don't cut where you thread. Okay, let me show you. So this is how the inside of the wig looks. Okay, but this is what you're gonna cut. Okay, you're gonna cut this inside, starting with the band on up, and you're gonna stop where you see the thread. So if you see the thread, so you're gonna cut around that, so it can be exposed to the scalp. I'm about to do that. So we're just gonna cut it. Scalp. But yeah, so we're gonna press this so she knows it's in the middle. Now for my closure, I always add a little oil or something because closures can get frizzy. They can have flyaways. No matter how good the hair is, it can have flyaways, you know. So take her. We'll move her back a little bit. So here's her new part. Okay. And we're gonna take it and we're gonna flat it. You can start with the side. Press it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of my little oil, a little argan oil, and I'm just using literally this about this much. I'm gonna put that on the closure. Y'all gotta see this closure get laid. Okay. I'm not no hair closure, but I think I'm making a wig. And when you make wigs, they last. Okay. So here's her, and we're gonna press her out. So we're gonna take our pressing comb and just press that over so it can stay, because I don't want her thinking that she still got the weak ass part. Okay. I'm telling y'all, a little bit of that oil go a long way. Y'all see I put it on my but you can see the flyaways go too. But I put it on the rest of it through the hair because here she is so far. She's about to get silked out though because I don't play. Okay. Okay guys, she's all done. Here she is.